Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX-959B. This is for Dusty in Nevada. Dusty was starting in AM with the power all the way down. We'll check it out on this watt meter here. 0 to 10 on the top. All the way down is 1 watt dead key. And all the way up is 6 watt dead key. This meter is set up to read your peak power. It's got a 50 watt slug in it. That's going to be right in the middle scale there. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me make that bigger. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll take it to the sideband and take a look at that. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay, there's your sideband mode. I'll put that there, put it back out, put it on the air a bit. Hey, Breaker 19 for a radio check.
It's working, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much. Have a great one.